Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. Today, I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to fix Spotify no internet connection issue. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Let's say that you've opened up your Spotify app in order to listen to your favorite song, but you got an error message that says no internet connection. This is known as the most common and frequent problem on Spotify app. Here are some quick fixes you could get around. First, make sure that you are connected to an internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data and find the best connection for your mobile device. Once you enable your internet connection and you've chosen the fastest internet for yourself, your problem might be solved. If it still does not work, most of the time this problem is solved by just restarting the app. Simply tap open Spotify app, tap the gear button at the top right hand corner and scroll all the way down and tap log out at the bottom. Once you log out of your Spotify app, log in back again. Once you log in back again to your account with your credentials, you might be able to solve your issue. If it still does not work, the next thing to do is to clear your Spotify cache from your device. Press hold Spotify app from your app drawer and tap on app info. Tap on storage from the app info page. Tap on clear cache at the bottom right in order to clear out your cache data from your Spotify app. Once you do that, launch open your Spotify app back again and you might be able to solve your issue. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If this fixes helped you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.